Hello kids, today we will learn color name, shape names, English alphabet and counting numbers. At first we will learn shape names. Say with me, shape name circle and color name green. Draw with me circle. Color with me green, and again say with me the name of shape circle. Orange color. Say with me shape name square. Again say with me the name of shape square. Say with me the color name light green. Again say with me the name of shape rectangle. Rectangle. Say with me color name sky blue. Say with me shape name triangle. Draw with me a triangle and again say with me the name of shape triangle. Say with me color name brown. Say with me the name of shape oval. Again say with me oval. Say with me color name red. Draw with me a heart. Again say with me the name of shape heart. Count with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 and 0, 10, 1 and 1, 11, 1 and 2, 12, 1 and 3, 13, 1 and 4, 14, 1 and 5, 15, 1 and 6, 16, 1 and 7, 17, 1 and 8, 18, 1 and 9, 19, 2 and 0, 20. Write with me uppercase letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and G. Subscribe for more video. Thanks for watching.